Hello, welcome to Hold a Sentence with me. So we're going to be looking at this grapheme today, okay? And this makes the O phoneme. My turn, your turn. O. O. Excellent, well done. So let's have a think of some words. So the first word that I want you to help me Fred talk is boat. Excellent, well done. Boat. Boat. The next one is goat. Excellent, well done. Goat. Goat. Okay, ready for the next one. Float. Well done. Float. Float. Okay, and the last one. Gloat. Excellent, well done. Gloat. Gloat. Now, gloat means if somebody is showing off about something that they shouldn't be showing off about and boasting and really showing off, we might call that gloating. So if somebody is gloating, so we might say, please don't gloat. That's not a nice way to behave. Gloat. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do now is we're going to segment them for spelling, okay? And you're going to have a go at recording them for me, okay? So the first one, you need 3 fret fingers, please. 3 fret fingers. Okay, and you're going to sound it out with me. My turn, your turn. Boat. Boat. Your turn. And you can write that down for me. Pause the video to write it down. Okay, ready? The next one. 3 fret fingers again. Goat. Your turn to pause the video and have a go at writing that down, please. Okay, should we do another one? Let's do 4 fret fingers. Okay, this is quite tricky. Okay, and you're going to, I think I'm going the wrong way. That's it, I think that's the right way. Okay. Float. Float. Could you please write that word, please, for me? Thank you. And well done, great work. The last one, we need 4 fret fingers again, okay? And we're going to spell gloat. 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 So please, could you pause your video and write that word? Excellent, well done. So when we move on to the next slide, you will be able to see those words. Okay. And I want you to check and fix those words. Tick them if you got them right. Edit them if you didn't get them right. We have got, let me just get my pen. Boat. Goat. Float. Lots of phonemes in that word. And again, gloat. Gloat. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next part now. If you haven't finished, you can pause the video, but if you're finished, we're going to move on. Well done. Okay, so we're going to do hold a sentence now, okay? So first one is quite straightforward. Get in the boat. Your turn. Excellent, well done. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. And I want you to pause the video, hold that sentence as many times, you know the drill now, and when you feel comfortable, have a go at writing that, remembering your capital letter, remembering your finger spaces, and remembering that full stop for me, okay? Right, so when you are ready, you may begin. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to reveal that sentence now. Excellent, well done. So you can see now all of those words that you should have written. Should we go through it together? Okay, so the first word was get. So we should have get, g, et. So you can tick that. We've got finger space. Get in, I, n. Get in the, we know that is a red word and we've used that a lot, so we should really be remembering how that is spelt now. Get in the boat. B-O-T, with our full stop at the end. Well done. If you want to pause the video, if you need to edit it, that's absolutely fine. Okay, ready for the next sentence now. This one's slightly more challenging, a little bit longer, okay? But even though it's a little bit longer, the words in it aren't particularly challenging. What is challenging is remembering all of those words and going back and reading it as you write it to make sure you don't miss any out, okay? Okay, so I can see a goat at the farm. I can see a goat at the farm. Your turn. I can see a goat at the farm. I'd like to pause the video, repeat that as many times as you need to, and then I would like you to record that for me. Remember, as you write it, go back and read each word to check that you haven't missed any out. Well done. Excellent. Would you like me to reveal the sentence now so you can check and fix? Here we go. I can see a goat at the farm. Now we know an I on its own will always be a capital, and this one would be a capital anyway because it's at the beginning of a sentence. I can, I can see, we've got a double off there, haven't we? I can see a goat, goat. I can see a goat at. I can see a goat at the, it's our tricky word, and then we have actually got another word that's got another grapheme in it as well. Farm. That's a tricky one that's been added in for you there to try and remember. I can see a goat at the farm. If you would like to pause the video and check and fix that, that's absolutely fine. Okay, right, are we ready for the next, oh, oops, sorry, went too fast then. Ready for our next sentence, okay? Now, our next sentence is not just a statement, it is a question. So when we have a question in our writing or we read a question in a book, there is a different punctuation mark at the end, isn't there? It's not a full stop, is it? What goes at the end of a question? Excellent, a question mark. So this is what your question mark will need to look like. So I'm going to leave that there to help you. Okay, so will it float? Your turn. Will it float? Will it float? Okay, I want you to repeat that as many times as possible. When you feel comfortable, pause that video. I would like you to write it out, but please remember your question mark at the end in place, so replacing that full stop, okay? Excellent, well done. Should we reveal the sentence so you can check and fix? Okay, so will, it, oh, double L there, quite tricky, like spell and bill. Will it, oh, excuse me, it, will it float? Float. Will it float with my question mark at the end? So you can now pause me. I'm done anyway, so you can finish it off now. Check and fix that for me. Okay, well done. Great effort.